Hello, everybody. This is the usual analytics from Alex Gerchik and company Gerchik Co. First of all, I'd like to say Happy New Year to everybody. I know we're going to have a new year just in about 10 days, but I want to wish you all the best for the holidays. I mean, for the traders, for some traders, it's been a good year. For some traders, it's been not a good year. So what I want to wish you for the new year, I want to wish you that if somebody lost money, to make money back. If somebody make money or made money, to make it more for the 2016. But as you know, for the traders, the most important thing is to make money or at least learn not to lose. So whoever is losing, you got to learn not to lose any longer. Whoever is making, try to make more. I wish in New Year, everybody is going to make money. That's the most important thing. So we're going to start with our analytics. Actually, the analytics this time, they basically worked out very well. The levels that we put worked out very well. For example, Euro. Our analytics was in December 9, and we said if the Euro is gonna one day close above 110, it's gonna have a very strong signal. Unfortunately, what's the good part and the bad part? The good part is Euro did went. Hold on, sorry, I'm gonna put my table. Unfortunately, Euro didn't went as far as we expected, and we expect if Euro is going to stay above 110, it's going to go much higher. And the Euro did went above 110, but it didn't went much higher than we expected. We expected 112, 113, and Euro only went to 111. But as you can see, we are right now in a range, in a very large range between 108 and 110. I'm sorry, 111. Once we're going to get out from a 111 range of 108, then we can see some clear direction. But for now, it's no clear direction. We're in a big range. As I said, the most important thing, the level is 108 to 111. As you can see, once we went above 10, we're supposed to go much higher, but we didn't. That was a false breakout. The next one is the Japanese yen. Japanese yen was a very good clear signal. If Euro is going to break 0.8184, the Euro is going to go much higher. And as you can see, the Japanese yen went much higher. It went almost 200 points. So it was a very good signal. It was a strong signal exactly in the upside. What we have right now with the Japanese yen, we have a new channel. But the most important thing, the Japanese yen has to break 0.83. If Japanese yen is going to break 0.83, then basically it's going to look excellent. And it's going to basically stay very strong. That's the most important thing. It has to stay above 0.83. Once it's going to stay above 0.83, it's going to go much higher. It was an excellent recommendation for oil. The oil, we said, once the oil is going to break $40 per barrel crude, light crude, the oil is going to go much lower. As you can see, oil worked out extremely well, and went down almost 15%, which is a fantastic recommendation. The next one was a British pound. We said the British pound, if you can see December 9, British pound, if it's going to stay above 150, 150, it's going to go higher. We did went high, but not as high. Situation in Europe, we didn't go much higher, but now basically a British pound doesn't look too favorite. If we're going to stay for a few days below 149, we can basically probably go to 145. That's the situation for British pound. Canadian dollar, fantastic recommendations, We said anything below 0.75, generated fantastic short signal. Like let's see, December 10, December 9. Once basically anything below 75, we're going to go much lower. It was a fantastic recommendation with the Canadian dollar, and as you can see, it goes much lower. Gold. We say gold below 1080 is a short, anything above 1080 is a long. As you can see, gold went down 30 points, $30. Now it's coming back. If you can see, the gold level is 1080. 1080 is extremely strong level for gold, extremely strong. If the gold is going to stay above 1080, we're going to have a very strong signal for gold. So the gold is above 1080 is a very, very good, strong signal. Once gold is going to break 1050, it's time to get out. That's the biggest part. So basically, as I said, 1080 and 1050. Let's go to Australian dollar. Australian dollar in extremely tight range. Nothing to look. 0.7, 0.74. You see, that's what we did said last time, and that's what it's going right now. It's extremely extremely strong signal. Would be if the Australian dollar will break 0.74 or it will break 0.7 to the bottom, to the downside. That's what it is. And the next one is the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar looks like it holds very strong against the dollar. It's not like a British pound, which is collapsing, or Canadian dollar. New Zealand dollar looks very good to the upside. We said it last time, the level is 0.68. It still stay the same. If it's going to break 0.68 and it's going to go higher, you'll have a fantastic run. So basically look for the New Zealand dollar at 0.68. What else I want to tell you before the new year? As you can see, I mean, I'd love for you to send me your trades and everything else, and I would help you. We're not trying to, like, you know, have a very long talk, because we really want to have your feedback. If you have any feedbacks and you want to hear about any special recommendations, maybe about the stocks or maybe about anything else, we'll be more than happy if you will send us the information. My email is, it's me again. My email is agerchik@gmail.com, agerchik@gmail.com. Would love to give you a short notes every 2 weeks, what to see, how to make money. And as you can see, our recommendation, do work out. We do know our job very well. Our company is a Gerchik Co, GerchikCO.com. All the best. Wish you a happy new year. It was Alexander Gerchik, and thank you very much.